Good morning, pirates. I hope you're having a great morning so far. Welcome back. We are so excited to have you back, and we're really looking forward to a great week this week. Welcome to 2023, everybody. This is so exciting. So I'm going to start off with telling you what we're having today for lunch. Today for lunch, we're having chicken nuggets, broccoli and carrots, applesauce, and vanilla goldfish. Tomorrow, we have waffles with syrup for lunch tomorrow. So we have breakfast for lunch tomorrow. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about any half birthdays today. I'm going to do that tomorrow because we have a whole lot of birthdays that happened and a lot of birthdays that are happening. And so I want to make sure to get those out there. And we left off on the 27th, so we're going to start on the 28th of December. So these are students that already had a birthday last week. Here we go. Liam Bunting. He's in Mrs. Mack's class. There's Liam. He turned 10 on the 28th. So happy birthday to you, Liam. He's a fourth grader here. Fifth grader, Mrs. Taylor's class, turning 11 is Isabella Hampton. There she is. She is turning 11, or she turned 11 on the 29th. We have a couple of other students that are also on the 29th, two other students that turned 11 on the 29th. The Mrs. Du Bois class, this is Trenton Krishbaum. So happy birthday to you on the 29th. And then turning 10 on the 29th. And Mrs. Griffing's class is Ella Minton. So happy birthday to you as well, Ella. I hope all of you had a good birthday. Then on the 30th, we had 4 students that had birthdays on the 30th of December, almost New Year's babies. Damian Diwali in Mrs. Collard's homeroom, he turned 11. So happy birthday to you, Damian. Carson Gildemeister, a fourth grader, there he is. He turned 10. He's in Mrs. Griffing's class as well. He was turned 10 on the 30th. Also on the 30th in Mrs. Rulong's class, Grayson Austin. So happy birthday to you, Grayson. He turned 9 on the 30th. And then also in Mrs. Plu's class, Colton Ernie turned 9 as well in Mrs. Plu's class. So happy birthday to you, Colton, as well. Then we have a New Year's Eve student, Hadley Richardson. There she is. Hadley turned 9 on the 31st. She's also in Mrs. Plu's class. Whew. And then we start with the new year. We have 3 students that were New Year's babies. Mila Walter was born on the 1st of January, and she's turning 11, or she turned 11 on the 1st. She's in Mr. Farr's class. So happy birthday to you, Mila. Also, Tomias Pearson in Mrs. Risk's class. He's a fourth grader here at Meadowlawn. He turned 10 as well. I don't have his picture. And then also Tyson Yu, there he is, in Mrs. Zappa's class. He turned 9 on the 1st of the year as well. So happy birthday to you, Tyson. Then on the 2nd, which was yesterday, London Keller had a birthday. He's in Mrs. Collart's homeroom, and he turned 11. So happy birthday to you, London. And last but not least, we have a birthday today, everybody. Yay! In Mrs. Gillespie's class, this is Jeffrey Lahutsky. He turned 9. He's turning 9 today, so happy birthday to you, Jeffrey. I hope you have a great birthday. Whew, that was a lot. That was a lot of birthdays. Also, this whole month we're talking about stepping up. There you go. So we're talking about stepping up. And so what it means to step up, there's a lot of different things that mean. And I'm going to talk to all of you today about how to step up, but it can mean a lot of different things, And really, what stepping up is, we talk a lot about practice, about doing your very best every single day, and that's practice. Practicing saying the right things, practicing doing the right things, practice that process of thinking some things through. But now is the time to step up. Okay, and that takes discipline. Now, sometimes when you hear discipline, you think of something negative, but actually discipline is very positive. It's how you do things. So if someone says that you're not disciplined, that means that you're not really focusing and honing in and practicing skills. And so we're asking you to get really disciplined and to step up in a lot of areas. But today I just want to focus on the one, and that is responding, how you respond to things, responding with discipline. And you've been practicing it. If you haven't been practicing it, maybe now is the time to start stepping up to practice responding with discipline, thinking about what you do before you do it. It's going to be so, so important. I hope you guys really focus on that this month. Let's go ahead and take a few seconds to focus on our breathing today on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Big deep breath in through your nose. And then hold it. And breathe out. Breathe in. And hold it. And breathe out. Breathe in. And hold it. And breathe out. All right, that worked for me. I am ready to go. I hope you guys are too. I'll see all of you a little bit later today during your essentials. Have a great day, everybody, and go Pirates.